Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the easiest and most straightforward way to make hard-boiled eggs. 3 steps. Hang around till the end. I'll show you exactly how to get those perfect eggs to make some nice deviled eggs. So today we're going to be using some farm fresh eggs from the family farm. So we've got those sitting over there. So step 1, get a pot of water. Put just enough water to cover the eggs and bring that to a boil. So once that bad boy starts boiling, we'll move on to step 2 and show you how simple it is to make the best and easiest hard-boiled eggs. A little update on my boy Thor here. He actually just went in and had a little minor surgery, had a couple lumps up in his gums, so they went ahead and removed that about 2 days ago, right after Christmas. So he is doing well and hanging out. He's ready to get some eggs going so he can get a sample. But from Thor and myself to all of you, happy holidays and hope everybody has a great New Year's. Okay, so now that the pot of water has come to a full boil, what we want to do is put the eggs in and let them sit there until it comes back to boil. Once that happens, we'll go for 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and gently get these eggs put in. As you can see, the boil's starting to go down just a tad bit. There we go. So once that comes back to a full boil, we'll do exactly 10 minutes. This is the #1 area people make a mistake and they don't turn out right. So let that come back to a boil and then set 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, we'll be back. It's been exactly 10 minutes, so we'll go ahead and turn the burner off. Grab a mitt. All right, step 2 is just go ahead and move that pot away from the burner. And you're going to want to let it sit in that water for exactly 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and put 5 minutes on the timer. The 5 minutes is up. Step 3, just go ahead and take the eggs and place them into a separate bowl. And we're going to go ahead and get that covered with ice. Okay, go ahead and get those eggs covered with ice, and they're going to sit down there for 10 minutes, and then you are done. Okay, those have been soaking for a little over 10 minutes with the ice. I just went ahead and dumped the ice in the sink, as you can see right there, and just got a little test on this one. As you can see, they peel super easy. So these are all done. Like I said, I've always struggled with making hard-boiled eggs, so there you go. We call it the 10-5-10 rule. So 10 minutes boiling, 5 minutes sitting in the water, and then 10 minutes under ice, and now you're ready for some deviled eggs. So before we end the video, let's give Thor a little taste. And here you go, bud. Some fresh hard-boiled eggs. Oh, yeah. All gone. Well, I hope that video helps you make better hard-boiled eggs. And I just want to say I really appreciate all the love and support from my last video about the jerky. You guys really enjoyed that one. So thanks so much for the love and support. If you find value in these videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.